PC building tips for beginners: don't build a system with one stick of RAM. You might be tempted to do this if you find that one stick is actually cheaper than two sticks of the same capacity and think you'll be saving yourself some money, but your PC will take a significant hit in terms of performance. The reason for this is you're going to be able to run the kit with two sticks of RAM in dual channel mode, meaning that the memory modules are going to be able to communicate with the CPU at the same time on different channels, massively increasing the data transfer rate and leading to improved performance.